Hey, what's up, Speakerphiles? Wellington here, and yes, one of you is going to be winning themselves this amazing premium Bluetooth speaker. I'll be giving you the details about how to do so towards the end of the video, because we kind of want to talk about the speaker so you know what you're getting yourself into in case you win one or you just want to know about the speaker. Also, this video and the giveaway are all sponsored by Rubyoung. So I'll leave the links to their stuff down in the description section down there. Go check it out. Anyways, to me, there are three main distinctive things about this speaker, and I'll break those down real quick before we go into anything else. The design, the customization, and the sound itself. The design of the speaker embodies that classic retro look while also managing to easily blend in with a modern setting. The attention to detail and craftsmanship makes the speaker look and feel very premium. And when it comes to customization, in addition to offering all sorts of leather colors, you can use a speaker without the front panel completely, which I think looks pretty good. So we'll take that off so we can enjoy that beautiful view. And you can also have them completely customize this panel to whatever you want, so the speaker will completely blend in or match with whatever style of your setting you want it to match. So that is pretty amazing. As usual, I will be giving you guys a high quality binaural sound sample at the end of this video, but in short, the speaker does sound pretty good. There is no heavy bass boosting here like most speakers, but rather a more realistic, punchy and balanced sound overall. They also offer 3 different sound modes to fit different environments or tastes of music, and my favorite has been the hi-fi right there. So those are my 3 standout features of the speaker, but there's obviously a lot more that the speaker has to offer. So let's go through those real quick. First of all, in the box, you get the speaker itself, a power cord, and the paperwork stuff. I opted for the white one because I think this thing looks pretty gorgeous. It has all the details in the right places, and the leather stitching all screams high quality. We have a few buttons and dials at the front, the sound mode selection dial to choose between the different sound modes they offer with the speaker, the Bluetooth pairing button, the 3 source selection buttons, a power button, and the volume adjustment dial. In the back is your power input, the power switch, optical port, aux port, and the aux output port. And as far as drivers in the front here, we are running 2 5¼ glass fiber woven cone woofers and 2 1-inch cloth dome tweeters with a combined output of up to 120 watts. We also have a frequency response rating that goes as low as 50 hertz all the way up to 20 kilohertz. It's running Bluetooth 5.0 and supports all sorts of protocols. So basically, this is a well-rounded premium speaker, and I think it's very, very worth checking out. I'll leave the link to it in the description section down there. Go check it out. Okay, so before the sound sample, let's talk about the giveaway that I talked about in the beginning of this video for those of you who are interested. Now, as mentioned, the giveaway is being sponsored by Rubyoung, and they are going to be actually the ones sending out the speaker to whoever wins the giveaway. Now, the conditions for people to enter the drawing, I have a post right now on Instagram that just went live about this speaker. On that post, just go write a comment on there and use this hashtag. Just put it in your comment, and then through those comments, that's where I'm going to draw the winner. And that will be in about a week after this video goes live, or after that post goes live. And also, they also said because of the logistics, they're not able to send the speaker out of the US, so this is going to be limited to US residents. I'm really sorry. It was either we do that or we don't do the giveaway at all, and I chose that because at least one person out there gets a speaker, a pretty premium speaker per se. Thank you to Rubyoung for sponsoring this video and the giveaway. I really appreciate that, and thank you guys for watching the video and following me on Instagram. Okay, as promised, I guess let's get into the sound samples. After you watch that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave it a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Enjoy the sound samples, also used binaural headphones for the best sound quality or representation. I use a high quality binaural microphone, and you need headphones to get a full feel of the speaker. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace again.
At first I believed I was the lucky one, but I was just fooling myself. Fooling myself. You think you can talk sense to me, like we are gonna be okay. We're not okay. So is this gonna
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it.